family, welcome to another vlog. You guys already know that we paid a professional cleaning company to come and clean the house. It was called a move-in / move-out clean. So it's just like a deep clean where they go everywhere, the bathroom, the kitchen, the hallway, the floors, just everywhere. They clean up everything. And then it's, I guess, ready to move in. We've also paid a duct company to come and clean out all the ducts in the house because I don't know when the last time it was done. And we just wanted the air in here to be safe and clean for when we move in. But I just want to do my own cleaning and sanitization. Is that a word? For that, I'm just gonna go to the Dollar Tree to pick up some cleaning supplies that are inexpensive, things that I don't have to break the bank for, because like I said, I've already had the house deep cleaned, professionally cleaned, but I just wanna do my own thing just to make sure that the house is sanitized and ready for my family to move in. So let's go to the Dollar Tree. We got our stuff from the Dollar Tree. All right, family, I'm gonna do a quick little Dollar Tree haul to show you guys the things that I got. You guys know that I love the Dollar Tree. I used to live for the Dollar Tree, and I've done a lot of Dollar Tree hauls and like smart ways to shop from the Dollar Tree, just a whole bunch of Dollar Tree videos. And if you're an OG on my channel, you've already seen a lot of those. If you haven't seen them, I think I'm gonna go back to doing a lot of them because as we're moving, we're gonna be buying a lot of expensive stuff, but we're also going to want to, save some money. And the Dollar Tree happens to be a great option for that. All right, family, so I have the stuff here, so I'm just gonna run through them real quick to show you guys all the things that I got. I did get quite a few things, but these are things that you can put in your house that doesn't necessarily have to be super expensive, but things that are really functional. So I'm just gonna share them with you, and hopefully you get some kind of inspiration from these things, so that if you're moving or if you have your first apartment, even if you have your house, but you want to know where the plug is for certain things you don't really have to break the bank for, I got you. So number one is this broom here. I apologize about the echo in here. You guys know we just moved in here and there's absolutely no one and no furniture. And this is the best that I could find. This is the sunroom, by the way. And this is the least echoey room, if that makes sense. So anyway, I apologize about that. This broom is really nice because, as you guys know, we have the wood floor here on the midsection, as you can see there, and it does collect a lot of dust. So you can either vacuum it or you can use a broom like this. And the second thing I got with that is this dustpan right here. So from the Dollar Tree, it also comes with a sweeper or like a brush to dust your dirt once you're done sweeping, right? So both of them are $1, they're connected. The next things I got here are trash cans, little trash cans. These ones are kind of small and narrow, so you can fit them between your toilet and your wall, which is how the bathrooms are usually built. So I'm gonna set these in all of the bathrooms. So with those trash cans, I also got trash bags. These trash bags are for the little trash cans. I'm gonna show you guys what these look like. They smell really, really good, and they're pretty big. These have different colors, y'all. I just wanted to do pink, but they have different colors. And then you can tie it like that, and there you go. You can set this in your bathrooms, and once it's filled up, you can take them out like so. One thing I like to do is, once I get my bag of trash bags, I like to drop a few at the bottom of my trash can and then put the trash bag like this one on top of it. So I may do 5 or 6 at the bottom of it. The reason for that is once you come and take your trash out and tie it up and throw it away, you don't have to go looking for where the trash bag is. You can just pull one from in there, open it up, and start it over as the rest of them are at the bottom. It makes your life so much easier, and it also tells you when you're running low on trash bags, okay? So that's a little pro hack that I wanted to show you guys. All right, so speaking of trash bags, the Dollar Tree also has some really nice trash bags. And these are from the brand Good Sense. They have different brands, but this is the brand that I like. It's called Good Sense, and it has 7 bags in there. So these bags are super big bags. These are supposed to be for fall leaves, but you can use these in the house. Again, a trash bag is a trash bag is a trash bag. If you don't have the money to go to somewhere like Walmart to get the big trash bags that are like, I don't know, $9, $10, $11. You can get these. This can last you over a week or sometimes 2 weeks, or maybe 1 pack a week, because there are 7 bags in here. So if you take the trash out once a day, this is 7 days of trash. The thing with this is it's big enough to fit in any trash can, but it's not super strong where you can like break a glass and put it in there. But any household trash like food, paper plate, you can even put clothes in here. And this is one of the reasons I got this, because again, we're moving, we're gonna make a lot of trash, and we're also going to transfer some clothes from one place to another. And this is a great way to just throw some of your not so important clothes in here, tie it up, and throw it in the moving van. The next things I got are hand soaps. These right here. These have aloe in them, and you guys know that I love aloe. This is a pretty good size, and again, this is just a hand soap. You don't have to break the bank to wash your hands, as long as you're washing your hands. I did get 4 of them to put in the 4 bathrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. The only thing I've noticed about these is that it makes your hands dry after you use it for a while. But honestly, washing your hands a lot is going to leave your hands dry. So I would say have a hand moisturizer or some kind of oil handy if you're gonna use these a lot, but honestly, the quality is not that bad. The next things I got are painting supplies. So this is the whole thing here, and I'm gonna go through them one by one. First thing I got is a cleaning glove. So this is not necessarily for painting, but this can be used for that as well. So again, we're moving. I'm gonna wanna paint the walls, but most importantly, the walls are already painted pretty nicely, as you can see. But because we're moving in and out, we're gonna be touching the walls, we're gonna be making marks and stuff like that. So I do like to get a little painting kit to clean that up once the stuff has been moved in and out. So a glove like this will cover your manicured hand and prevent the paint from getting onto it. You can also use this for cleaning when you're cleaning chemicals, and you can also use this to wash dishes. So let me show you guys this. This is pretty strong. It's pretty good quality, and it's pretty strong, and it's kind of like a one size fits all, because it's pretty big and it fits like the smallest hands and the biggest hands. This is what that looks like. It's very good quality. So you can use this over and over and over as many times as you want until it breaks. And it has a little grip right there. And then this side is smooth. The next kind of gloves I'm gonna talk about are these right here. These ones are actually great quality as well. They're not disposable. You can reuse this over and over. The only difference is that these ones are super strong, stronger than these ones. But these are strong as well, so you can get a few uses out of this. There are also medical grade gloves at the Dollar Tree. All right, so next on the list, I got this little roller. This roller is if I have like a big surface area that needs to be painted over. We already have the stick that comes with it. We got those from Home Depot. This right here is also at Home Depot, but it's $9, and the Dollar Tree has it for $1. So you can grab a couple of these. They do the exact same job, but they're much, much cheaper. And I also got a set of painting brush right here. So these ones are for if you have like a little dent in the wall, or there's a black spot somewhere, or you want to touch up your little white areas with more white paint. These are great, and they come in a pack of 2 for only $1. One of the great things, or one of my favorite finds from the dollar store, is this one. Let me tell you how big this is. This is 9 feet by 12 feet. This is important for when you're painting like a big room and you have furniture in there. You can actually cover this, just this one thing. You can actually cover this with a big couch, or you can gather your stuff together in the middle and cover them with this and tape it around it to secure it. But also, you can also drape the floors with this so that you don't get paint on the floor. Again, it's super big, super wide, and it's only $1. All right, so last but not least, for the painting, I have this little tray here. Again, this tray is for your paint. Pour it in there, rub the brush right here, and paint. I got some brushes here. These brushes are pretty good quality. They're pretty strong, as you can see. You can scrub your sinks, your floors, whatever you have to scrub, and it's only $1. You don't have to pay more than $1 for a freaking brush. And these can last as long as you want them to, but I would throw them away after a while because yeah, I would just throw them away. Same thing with this. This is nice because you can fit into like